Hello everyone, this video is about proteins and their structure classification. What is protein? A protein is a naturally occurring, extremely complex substance that is present in all living organisms. The human body contains thousands of these different proteins, and they can be categorized according to their structure, properties, and function. This short video will be about proteins according to their structure. All proteins are made up of amino acids that are linked together like beads. Plants can synthesize all the amino acids, while animals can only synthesize some. They need outside food sources that contain protein to obtain them. Plant-eating animals, like cows, would need to consume very large amounts of plant material to meet their amino acid requirements. Humans can obtain proteins from plants, animals, and their products like meat, milk, and eggs. Proteins classified by structure may be simple or conjugated. Simple proteins contain peptide chains composed of only amino acids and may be globular or fibrous in shape. Fibrous proteins form long protein filaments producing long fibers or large sheets. They often play a structural role as they are mechanically strong and are generally insoluble in water. Collagen is one example. It is a rigid, inextensible fibrous protein found in connective tissue of animals, including tendons, cartilage, bones, teeth, skin, and blood vessels, making it the most abundant protein in vertebrates. Globular proteins or spheroproteins are named for their approximately spherical or globe-like shapes and are the most abundant proteins in nature, playing a functional role as transporters, enzymes, and messengers. Examples of globular proteins are albumin, hemoglobin, and the immunoglobulins G, A, and M. Conjugated proteins consist of a protein and a non-protein or prosthetic group. The prosthetic groups may be lipid, carbohydrate, porphyrins, metals, and others. Examples of conjugated proteins are the metalloproteins, glycoproteins, lipoproteins, and nucleoproteins. Metalloproteins have a metal ion attached to the protein, like hemoglobin, which contains iron. Lipoproteins have lipids, such as cholesterol and triglycerides, linked to proteins. Glycoproteins have 10 to 40% carbohydrate, like haptoglobin. When the percentage of the carbohydrate linked to the protein is higher, the proteins are called mucoproteins or proteoglycans. An example is mucin, a lubricant that protects body surfaces from friction or erosion. And lastly, nucleoproteins are those proteins that are combined with nucleic acids, DNA, or RNA. Chromatin is an example of a nucleoprotein that is a complex of DNA and protein that makes up chromosomes. That is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching.
Created using Powtoon.